Hello, everyone. I hope you all will be safe and enjoying the life. Going out for dinner for the first time since the pandemic. I will be showing you what a beautiful sunset looks like in Riyadh today. This is King Fahad Road and common route for every citizen. You can see a lot of brilliant lights like this heart shaped one. The moon is with us. Amazing. Again, here, multi story buildings on side of King Fahad Road. Beautiful lights. A few brands such as Zara, Mango, Massimo Dutti. A popular supermarket here is the Mimi. We have just crossed it. So many offices and apartment buildings. So now we are exiting onto King Abdullah Road. Beautiful palm trees on the sides. A pretty sight it is. Now we have been turned. So, and we are here. It's Hayat Mall, one of the many malls that we have in Riyadh. Of course, as is customary these days, a visual triage. There is a view of Hayat Mall, multiple international brands and local brands too. So there are coffee shops almost on every corner of the mall, including the international ones like Tim Horton and others. Arabs are too fond of coffee. So we are at the restaurant. We will be dining at Applebee's today after ages. Beautiful location. A visual triage again. A calm environment here. So as you can see, they have taken hygienic precautions and wrapped our menus in plastic wrap. Oops, a little blunder over there, but we are saved. We tried to be eco-friendly here and decided to unwrap only one menu, but to our dismay, it turned out to be an Arabic one. We made do nonetheless. The utensils had been served in plastic covering as well. A salad for starters. It's the Fiesta chicken salad. Good in looks, good in taste, and too crispy. We really enjoyed. And here's the main course. Food is too good, yummiest, and perfectly cooked. The gentlemen who dealt with us and served us are perfectly professional. I recommend if you go to Hayat Mall, it's a must to have a dine in at Applebee's. The place has a worth. It's done, paid the bill, and ready to leave with the leftovers. Moon is still with us. So way back home. So this is Miniso, one of my daughter's favorite shops. So we are again here on King Abdullah Road. So this beautiful flyover with beautiful lights. And here we go to the King Fahad Road. King Fahad Road passes through the middle of Riyadh, and we opt for this route almost every day. Beautiful green lights of Kingdom Tower, the hallmark of Riyadh. Riyadh is a beautiful global city. Beautiful building of King Fahad Library. We are almost home. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will not forget to subscribe